Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Shiwa token. Now this token just got listed on CoinGecko just today. Ticker symbol is Shiwa, that's also the name of the token. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, Shiwa. So SHIWA is how you spell the name of the token and the ticker symbol. Shiwa.finance is their official webpage. They have their own app, and you can find that at app.shiwa.finance. So this is an Ethereum token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. You would go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and you would trade your Ethereum for the Shiwa token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko, or you can find it on their Etherscan or their official webpage. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And just be aware that there is going to be network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off Uniswap, and you may have to set slippage as well. So there's a Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, Discord, GitHub, and Medium articles all linked on CoinGecko along with their Etherscan webpage, price chart, and contract address. According to their Etherscan, they have 445 holders so far. 2,994 transfers, 9 decimal places on this token, and they have a total supply that's a little bit over 997.8 trillion tokens is their max total supply. So I assume they started with a quadrillion and maybe they burned some already, so that's what it seems like. If you want to find more information about this token, you can head over to their official webpage, shiwa.finance. Over there they have tokenomics, roadmap, team section, info, contact information. They have a KYC on here, which means their team was doxed to verify who they are for security reasons. So you can click on that and check that out. And they also have NFTs, and you can click on NFT sale on the top right hand corner of their page and check out their NFTs. It says a decentralized token was born to be the king of both Ethereums. So you can get this off Ethereum with Ethereum W tokens, or you can get it just with basic ETH, and they have contract addresses for both. And so it says Shiwa provides numerous DeFi breakthrough solutions. Using the Shiwa mascot as a combination between a meme hype and a real blockchain with utilities such as DAO governance options, NFTs, NFT staking, and their own NFT marketplace. Shiwa is primarily built with the focus to enable users to enjoy the advantages of a fully decentralized digital economy and put a stop to institutionalized hierarchies. Born like a meme, become the king of both Ethereum chains. We built Shiwa with some unique features. These include, but not limited to, the following: a strong holder army. Shiwa started as a cryptocurrency on the Ethereum POW chain. Our mission is simple. We wish to provide not only high quality products, but also give back in the process. Now we are alive in ETHW and Ethereum mainnet. Buyback between Ethereum chains. You'll be happy to know that with every purchase and sale of Shiwa, we created a dedicated wallet that accumulates in ETH. With the funds within this wallet, we will have the ability to buy Shiwa and subsequently transfer those tokens into ETHW. So they have dApps, DAOs, and pools. DAO-enabled platform to implement a reward system based on each user's vote or action. Shiwa can provide fully transparent and fair returns to all users. Shiwa can help to transform the structure of a company, small or large, by giving back decision-making powers and responsibilities to the community. Our goal is to provide a democratic process through a 100% decentralized governance. This will increase our liquidity and increase the value as well as the stability of Shiwa. This will benefit the community and empower each of you who have put your trust in the currency. Thanks to the support of UniWSwap, we will be one of the first successful launch pools on the platform. So that is the one where you can get the ETHW token on. You just use the ETHW address on UniWSwap is the name of that dApp. Due to this success, the team is still working to offer proprietary pools that will bring you juicy passive income by providing your liquidity. So security, it says here at Shiwa, security for investors is at the forefront to ensure each one of you within our community is protected. We have carried out extensive ways of safeguarding the community within crypto. First, the liquidity has been completely locked and out of the contract, and it has been audited by an external party. In addition, we also have KYC. We've been KYC and doxed. So you can check out all those links. They have Team Trust Swap Lock here, Panda Sale Locker links, KYC Docs report, ETH liquidity locked, and ETHW liquidity locked. You can both click on. So all sorts of cool stuff there. Buy and sell tax. It's going to be 5% for each transaction, and that goes to pool development, ETH buyback, and marketing. So you may have to set slippage somewhere around 5% when you buy and sell this token. And it says they have a massive marketing plan. And yeah, so then their roadmap is on here as well. So eventually they're going to come out with a game, dApps, NFT collection, NFT marketplace, and they're going to extend their roadmap in the future. They're going to have solid partnerships, and they just got their CoinGecko CoinMarketCap listings, and that's checked off there. So lots of cool stuff. They have their own Shiba swap already. You can check that out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Before we wrap this video up here, I'd just like to tell you about today's sponsor, the Beehive multi-token crypto wallet. It's an easy to navigate wallet with low listing fees, low outgoing fees, quick sign-in with added optional TFA for added security. It offers 24-hour support. The wallet supports a ton of coins like Dogecoin, Dingocoin, Bitcoin, etc. The wallet offers earning features as well, such as Beehive staking and masternodes. All links to the Beehive wallet, including the download link, will be pinned to the top of the comment section down there. So make sure you check it out. Amazing wallet, the Beehive wallet. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace.